Welcome back, children, with the second session for today. That will be the capital adjustment part 2. So here also let us have a recap. The first capital adjustment once more. The first capital adjustment says that when the new partner brings proportionate capital and his capital is not given in the question. That we have already done in the previous segment, that his capital is not given in the question. Okay, now in this segment we will do the second capital adjustment. As you can have a look over here, when the old partner's adjusted capital has to be calculated on the basis of new partner's capital. When the old partner's capital has to be adjusted on the basis of new partner's capital. This is the capital adjustment which we say the second capital adjustment, in which the capital of new partner is given. Now let us take an example. Okay, here is it. We have this example with us. X and Y are the partners in the ratio 3:2. Okay, then their capitals after all adjustments means whatever adjustments are required in the capital account is 80,000 and 60,000 respectively. The old partner's capital has been adjusted and calculated as 80 and 60 respectively. They admitted Z for 1/5 share and he brings 35,000 as his capital. Now Z's capital has been given as 35,000, that he is bringing his capital in cash. That is given in the question, that he brings means he is bringing in cash. The new ratio amongst all the partners will be 5:3:2. That is also given in the question, that the new ratio will be 5:3:2. Okay, now what we are going to calculate the amount of cash paid off or brought in by the old partners, because here the old partner's capital has to be adjusted on the basis of the new partner's capital. Their capital will change and there can be a condition when the partners have to bring in the cash or they have to be paid off the cash. It can be from the bank account as well, but we have to balance their accounts on the basis of new partners' capital. Okay, so how we are going to do it? Let us see. First of all, we have to calculate the capital of the new firm. Here I am writing firm. I am not writing the partner. Capital of the new firm will be calculated with this formula. Capital of the new partner multiplied by the reciprocal of his share. His share means the new partner's share. What was the new partner's capital? What was he bringing in cash for capital? 35,000. And reciprocal of his share, because his share was 1/5, then we do the reciprocal, that 5/1. Then the entire capital of the firm will be 1,75,000. Now we divide this 1,75,000 in the new ratio, which is 5:3:2. So XYZ, the new capital shall be 87,500, 52,500 and 35,000 as per the new ratio. How we have calculated? On the basis of the new partner's capital multiplied by his reciprocal share, the firm's capital is calculated, and then the firm's capital is divided in which ratio? New ratio. Now this capital will be considered as now the adjusted capital of all the three partners. Let us take an example that how we show it in the capital account. Here we have a brief description of it in the capital account. As you can have a look at the credit side first. By balance brought down, whatever capital they were having in the previous balance sheet, that you have to write. In this question it is not there, so I am not writing. Any adjustment on account of revaluation, any reserve, any premium brought in by the partner, and by cash. New partner's capital will also be written over here as 35,000 as given in the question. So I have mentioned over here, by cash he was bringing the capital in cash and in Z's account, that is X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. Okay, then the new partner's capital shall also be written. Now in the question it is already given that their capital was 80,000 and 60,000 of the old partners after all adjustments have been done. So I have created a balance over here, two balance carried down, 80,000 and 60,000. And also I will write Z's capital because his capital is also being known now to us. So these are the old capitals which are after all adjustments. Now again we have to do the balancing and find out what amount of cash has been brought in by the old partners or to be paid off in order to make their capital as per the new ratio. So by balance brought down 80,000, 60,000, 35,000. Whatever balance we were having over here, 80,000, 60,000, 35,000, we have brought it down over here. Just to do double balancing, 60,000, 80,000 and 35,000 respectively. Okay, then what is the new capital that we have calculated? The new capital that we have calculated as per the new ratio is 87,500, 52,500 and 35,000. That we are going to write again over the debit side. You can see over here two balance carried down. We will write the fresh capital now of the new ratio 87,500, 52,500 and 35,000. Now we will take up the difference. Let us see, X capital on the debit side is 87,500 but on the credit side it is 80. So what is the difference? 7,500. That we have to write as by cash. 7,500 balancing figure, because his capital should be 87,500 but he has 80,000, so he has to bring 7,500 more. So that is why by cash 7,500. Okay, now we will see Y's capital. On the credit side you can see his capital is 60,000, but here his capital should be how much? 52,500. It should be less. Then we will give him cash under the entry to cash. 7,500 has been written on which side? On the debit side of partner's capital account. So this is how the balancing will be done in the second capital adjustments, that their adjusted capital will be calculated, the new capital will be calculated, and we have to take out the difference. This will be done only for the old partners. New partners capital will be intact, that is 35,000. Only Y has been changed and X has been changed. As X capital was supposed to be more but he was having less, so he has to bring cash, by cash. As Y's capital is supposed to be less but he already had more, then we have to pay him the cash, that is 7,500 to cash. We have to pay him. So this is how the second capital adjustment will be done. I hope that you have understood. See you in the next session.